Fixer-uppers can be a gold mine for home buyers, especially when interest rates are high. In this video, I'm going to share 8 of the top reasons why. Fixer-uppers are typically priced lower than move-in ready homes, allowing you to enter the housing market at a more affordable price. Renovating a fixer-upper can significantly increase the property's value, helping you build equity faster than you might with a home that's already in top condition. Buying a fixer-upper gives you the opportunity to tailor the home to your specific tastes and needs, creating a personalized living space. High interest rates can deter some buyers, which means there may be less competition for fixer-uppers, potentially giving you more negotiating power. There are often financial incentives and programs available for purchasing and renovating fixer-uppers, such as renovation loans like the FHA 203K loan, that can help finance both the purchase and the repairs. Fixer-upper projects can be a great way to learn new skills and gain experience in home renovation and maintenance. Property taxes are typically based on the purchase price of the home. A lower purchase price for a fixer-upper can result in lower property taxes, at least initially. Fixer-uppers can be a good investment opportunity. If you renovate wisely, you might be able to sell the property at a significant profit once the market conditions improve. Buying a fixer-upper when interest rates are high can be a strategic move for those willing to invest time and effort into renovations. The lower purchase price, potential for equity growth, and opportunities for customization make fixer-uppers an attractive option. Additionally, less competition and possible financial incentives further enhance their appeal. While the process may require patience and hard work, the benefits can outweigh the challenges, providing a rewarding path to home ownership and investment. To find active fixer-upper properties in your area, links are provided below. I hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.